Hey there, welcome back to SmartHome. If you just unboxed your new RoboVac or reset it and now need to connect it to Wi-Fi, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the setup process so you can get your RoboVac up and running smoothly. Let's jump in. Step 1. Getting ready. First, a few things to check before you start. Make sure your RoboVac is charged or placed on its charging dock. You'll also need your smartphone and a 2.4 G or Z Wi-Fi network. Note, RoboVacs don't support 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, so be sure to switch to 2.4 GHz. Step 2. Download the app. Next, download the Home app if you haven't already. It's available in both the App Store and Google Play. Once you have it installed, open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Step 3. Entering setup mode. Now, let's put the RoboVac into Wi-Fi setup mode. Make sure the RoboVac is powered on. Then, press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds until you hear a beep and see the Wi-Fi indicator light flashing slowly. This means your RoboVac is ready to connect to Wi-Fi. Step 4. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Open the Home app, tap on Add Device, and select your RoboVac model from the list. The app will prompt you to enter your Wi-Fi details. Make sure to enter your 2.4 G's Wi-Fi name and password carefully, then hit Next to continue. Step 5. Completing the connection. The app will now attempt to connect to your RoboVac. This might take a minute or two, so be patient. Once it's connected, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen, and your RoboVac will stop flashing. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your RoboVac to Wi-Fi. Conclusion. And that's it. Now you're all set to control your RoboVac from your phone and enjoy hands-free cleaning. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.